they come, one by one, marching in the morning sun. Flapping, stomping, jumping high, waving tails as they pass by. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, join the rhythm, feel the beat. March along, hooray, hooray, it's the happy animal parade. Here's a lion, big and proud. He lets out a roar so loud. Roar! Next comes monkeys, swinging free, chattering in the tallest tree. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, join the rhythm, feel the beat. March along, hooray, hooray, it's the happy animal parade. There's a hippo, big and round, splashing, splashing all around. Splash! And a parrot, oh so bright, squawking colors left and right. Stop! Look, here comes a baby bear, waddling around without a care. The elephants go boom, 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 drumming with their feet in tune. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, join the rhythm, feel the beat. March along, hooray, hooray, it's the happy animal parade.
It's time to go, but don't feel blue. More fun is waiting just for you. Sing and dance, we'll meet again. Happy tunes with all our friends.
Like, subscribe, and join the fun. New adventures just begun. See you soon, don't be late. At Happy Tunes and Tales, it's gonna be great.